Hello everyone, we are from Group 2. I am Muhammad Hazrin bin Mahassan. Number matrix is 04DET22F1024 as the leader.
My name is Ahmad Arzin bin Asri. My matrix number is 04DET22F1045.
My name is Muhammad Daniel bin Hashim. My number matrix is 04DET22F1009.
For project description, this rubber engine car toys is taken from principle of kinetic energy. To move the car is to use the rubber band, place it at the back of the car and do several times to make the car move. The objective of this product is produce a product that can use potential energy and kinetic energy. It helps and teaches us how to combine potential energy and kinetic energy. To show how kinetic energy works in life to create the use of real-life simulation of recycled items.
So what is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy stored in a moving object. Kinetic energy is a scalar quantity. The change in kinetic energy is equivalent to the work done by the object. Kinetic energy is equivalent to the work done to accelerate an object from rest to a certain speed. The formula for energy is 1/2 times mass times velocity squared. The materials and its cost, we have one plastic food containers, one hot glue gun, one scissor, a packet of rubber bands, one nail, one straw, a packet of skewers, and a trolley holder. For the plastic food container, the cost of it is 1 ringgit. For the hot glue gun, it is 2 ringgit. For the scissor, it is 1 ringgit and 50 cents. For the packet of rubber bands, it is 50 cents. For the nail, it is 60 cents. But for the straw, skewers, and trolley holder, they don't have a cost because they are recycled. Total cost of all of these items combined is 5 ringgit and 60 cents.
Mass of car we got 100 gram. Time taken we got 2 seconds and distance 1 meter. The formula of velocity is V equal S over T. We get 1/2 and we got 0.5 meter per second power T. Here is result and discussion. The toys car works well with the use of principles, energy, conservation of potential energy to kinetic energy. We believe that the objective of the product has been achieved. The last one is effect of potential energy car. This product can save electric as it uses energy saving principle. Saving more energy can help to take care of nature environment from being polluted. It is a budget product because it is made from recycled material. This principle can make all people's life easier and more affordable to save the